Hey there, welcome to Mike Earn, and this is the weekly forex market forecast and update. So in this video, we'll be looking at the EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs. Now, before I get started, let me inform you, kindly wait to the end of this video, because at the end of this video, I have a special information for you that would help you make a lot of money in the forex market at the end of this video. So wait to the end. Now, we're starting with the EURUSD currency pair. Now let's take a look at the monthly time frame. EURUSD looks like a downward trend, but we've seen price range in the past few months. The weekly time frame as well, we see the same idea, but we see this trend. We see the market has not broken above this zone, but we can see that market has been playing around this trend line for some time. So now let's go to the daily time frame and we'll make our predictions from here. Now, this was a prediction, one of the predictions I made last week, that price will come into the zone, and push high, come into this resistance level, and then continue downwards. Now we've seen it has fulfilled two parts of that prediction. We've seen price crash below, and we've seen price reverse into that zone, and what is left is that price should continue lower. So we hope to see that. But now for the immediate prediction, what should we expect? Well, like I have said here, like I've noted here, price might continue lower, right? Which is very possible. But there's another scenario. Let me make it clearer. Let me take these things out. There's another scenario that is very possible as well. So, and this is it. If price comes into this zone again, if price comes into this zone, which is a confluence of support and a trend line, if price comes into that zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, if price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, this might be a good reason to buy, right? Considering the fact that there's a confluence of trend line and support right here, with also a bullish day close above that zone, right? So this might be a very good reason to buy the market, right? We can buy to as high as this next 1.08243, or to be on the safer side, just go for a 1-to-1, whichever way it shows up. That might be a very good opportunity right there. So another scenario you might see is that if price continues higher and just comes into this 1.09139 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then you can also go for a 1-to-1 right there. If price gives us that, you can go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio and end it there. Don't forget, only take any of these scenarios if they meet your confirmation. Only if they meet your confirmation, your own personal trading confirmation. So let's go to the next one, which is the GBPUSD currency pair. Now for the monthly time frame, we see price has been pushing higher, but this last month has been very bearish. That's what we can tell from this. The last month has been very bearish. I mean the current month rather. Yes, I believe that's the current month. The current month has been very bearish. So let's see what happens. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. Same idea. The last week's candle broke below this support, and we are hoping for an opportunity for a good trade right there. Now this is the daily time frame. So what is the prediction? My prediction is quite simple. If price comes if price comes into this zone, now this would be a support, this would be a confluence of support and trend line, because there's a channel, or a channel support rather. If price comes into that zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I would suggest that you go for a buy. Right, go for a buy, go for a 1-to-1, you know. Or if you want to risk it, you can look forward to it coming back into the resistance, the channel resistance there, if you're willing to take that much risk. But you can just go for a 1-to-1 and end it there. Don't forget, only if it meets your confirmation should you take the trade. Now another scenario is if price comes into either of the 1.31374 or the 1.31746 zones. If price comes into any of those zones and give us a bearish day close at either of those zones, I would suggest that you go for a sell and just go for a 1-to-1 risk reward right there. That will be my suggestion, my personal suggestion. So that's it. That's it for the GBPUSD currency pair. So now let's go to the USDCHF. What has USDCHF been telling us? Monthly time frame, USDCHF has been bearish. Now let's go to the weekly time frame, also bearish, but we've been seeing this moves higher. Now we've been seeing this move higher as though market is trying to push higher. Now people can see it as a double bottom, but for me it's not confirmed yet. So what would be my prediction for this? If price comes into this 0.86983 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a sell, go for a 1-to-1 risk rewards ratio, or you can go for the next support zone here rather. You can hold the trade to the 0.85515 zone if it meets your confirmation. Now another scenario is if price comes to this zone first, that's the 0.85515 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1. Go for a 1-to-1, leave it at a 1-to-1 if it meets your confirmation, only if it meets your confirmation. Now the next one is the USDJPY currency pair. Now so USDJPY has pushed high as we expected last week, because we expected it to push into the zone and maybe give us a head and shoulder, but it has pushed high, and there's still a possibility that it can give us this right shoulder that we're expecting. But for now it hasn't. So what should we be looking out for? Well, what I will say is this: if price comes, okay, let's take a look at the weekly first. The weekly has been very bullish, and for now the next resistance zone that is appearing on our chart, the next resistance zone that's appearing on the chart is high above here. So let's go to the daily and look out for that. So somewhere around here, the significant resistance zone. Now I can plot out this one, I can put a zone at the top of this, but I'm not so certain about that. I'm not so certain about I don't trust this zone so much. I don't really trust that zone. I'm skeptical about it. So that's why I said the next resistance would be here. So now if price continues higher, this might take over a week for price to get this high. If price continues higher and come into this 161.741 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Right, go for a 1-to-1 sell. Although that's a very risky sell, because this is a very serious bullish move that will have moved as high as this. So that's what I'll suggest, that you go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio and leave it there, right? if that scenario shows up. But in another scenario, if price comes into the zone, that's this 147.761 zone. If price comes into that zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, or you can also go for the next resistance level, which is the 150.778, or even hold it to see how far it would go. This might be a continuation of the bullish trend that is still very much in play, right? So any of these scenarios can actually occur, but don't forget one thing: only take trades based on these scenarios if they meet your personal confirmation. Only if they meet your personal confirmation. That's very important, right? Don't overstay your welcome in any trade, and don't get into any trade that you're not sure of. Now to the pleasant surprise that I have for you. It is the premium forex signal service channel. Now this channel offers highly profitable trading signals, right? The trades I post personally on these channels are trades that I take myself, and it goes for $200 monthly. Yes, you heard that right, $200 monthly. Now, the value offered on this service is a lot more than the price charged for it. Now, in the month of September, we had 100% win rate. Yes, you heard me, 100% win rate on this signal service. Now, I am not suggesting that every month we have 100% win rate, but in the month of September, I'm talking about the month of September now. The month of September, we had 100% win rate, which was very, very profitable, right? Which was really, really profitable. So now, what I am suggesting is this. What I'm telling you is this: if you would like to be part of the premium forex signal service, contact me. My contact is in the description below, my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let me know you would like to come on board. Now, there's also a 10% referral commission for anybody you get to refer to the system. If you refer anyone to us, you get a 10% referral commission, right, for doing that. So don't forget, $200 monthly. This might be what you need to change your trading forever. This might be what you need to make profits, massive profits from the forex market, because the trades I place on this premium forex signal service are trades derived from highly profitable trading systems that are tested and trusted, and would really, really help your trading. So I will be waiting for you. I'll be expecting you, because this is going to really help you. My direct Telegram contact, once again, is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and use the link. It will take you to my direct Telegram DM. Chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board. So thank you for watching. Bye.